Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 4, Lesson 1. In this lesson, it's about being able to compare the efficiency of counting by ones and counting by tens. So, looking at this, we have a picture. And we notice that we have 3 bundles of 10. And then we have these ones right here. So this is a 10, this is a 10, and this is also a 10. So the 3 things that I just circled, each of these are a group of 10. That means we can count by tens whenever we see these groups of 10. So we can count by tens like 10, 20, 30. So we know that these 3 tens together equals 30. So we're going to put that as a part. Then we see that there's these ones, these green popsicle sticks that are by themselves, which we would consider ones. So that means we count them by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 of these altogether. So you have to say, okay, what is 30 plus 4? Well, some of you might know from talking about it with the 10 way by knowing 30. 4 is 34. Or you can just count it. You can skip count by tens and then count by ones. So I'm going to model that for you. So you go 10, 20, 30. Got to count all my tens first. 31, 32, 33, 34. So it is 34. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.